Let us factorize the given polynomials using the distributive law of real numbers. So the first polynomial was x squared plus x. So this is the addition form like this on the left hand side. We have to think if there are common factors in these two terms. So this first term can be interpreted as x times x, and this second can be interpreted as x times 1. So there is x as a common factor. Let's take it as a front as a factor. And then you can think what have to be the two terms here so that when you multiply by x, you get these terms. So if the first term here is x, when you multiply you get x squared, and then we have plus, and this second term must be 1. Now x times x equals x squared, and then plus x times 1 equals x. So here is the factorization. The second part B was 3x squared minus 6x. What is common in these two is at least one x, but also number 3. So if we take 3x as a common factor, what is left from the first is x, and then we have minus sign, and what is left from the second is 2. And now if we try to multiply 3x times x, that's 3x squared, and then minus 3x times 2 equals minus 6x. Correct. The third, 1/4 times x minus half times x squared. What is obvious is that both these terms have x. So let's take x as a common factor. What is left from the first is 1/4, then minus half times x is left from the second. If you check again, x times 1/4 minus x times half x is half times x squared. You can continue factorizing this second factor if you want. So we have there half as a common factor. So what is left from here is half and minus x. And let's write it half x times half minus x. And if you check, half times x times half is 1/4 times x, and then minus half times x is minus half x squared. Sometimes the common factor is an expression. 2 times x plus 1 minus x squared times x plus 1. Here is a product 2 times this expression minus x squared times the same expression. We can take x plus 1 as a common factor. X plus 1 times what is left from this first product is 2, and what is left from the second is x squared. Here is the factorization.